Good morning, everybody. Today you're going to do guided reading with Miss Gamina. So I want you to listen to the words as I read them, put your finger on the words, and then when I'm finished, I want you to read the story on your own. Try and work on your expression and fluency. So if you see a full stop, you take a little breath. If you see an exclamation mark, make sure you sound excited. Okay, let's have a go. All about foxes, and that is the title of the story, written by Anthony Curran, and he must be the author of the book. All about foxes. Foxes are mammals. They have pointy faces. Foxes are mammals. They have thin legs and bushy tails. There's a little breath here. Foxes have fur. Their fur can be different colours. Foxes have fur. They have short fur in summer. I wonder why that might be. Foxes have fur. They have long fur in winter. Foxes have fur. They lose their old fur each spring. Foxes are hunters. They hunt small. Miss Gamina's not sure of this word, so I'm going to use my stretchy snake strategy to try and figure it out. Animals. Foxes are hunters. They hunt mostly at. Miss Gamina's not sure of this word, so I'm going to look at my picture with my eagle eye and try and sound it out and help the picture, get the picture to help me. N-a-t. Now, the G and the H are silent. Night. Night. Is the picture at night? Yes. That's the end of the story. I'm going to start at the beginning and I want you to read it aloud. See how you go. If you need to pause it to sound out a word, please feel free to do so. Now Miss Gamina is going to flick over to the comprehension screen. So I want you to answer these questions with your parent or guardian. Thank you for watching.